Hello guys, it's Empress herself. You are welcome to another Empress Kitchen. Today I have a surprise for you, and that surprise is our master chef.
A woman can, a man can cook better.
That slight crunch.
He's here to give us another wonderful delicacy. Uncle Toks.
Yes,
welcome.
It's so good to be here, Empress, again. And I look forward to what's going to happen here today.
I trust
Yes,
you.
of course, I'll be cooking my special African fried rice. This is my style, my recipe. I created this. I didn't learn it from anyone. And we'll check it out.
All right, I can't wait, Uncle Toks.
Welcome back. It's still Empress Kitchen, and right before me are the ingredients, to cook my African fried rice special. I mean, this is my creation, like I said earlier. Yes, we have right here rice, the most basic thing here. We have pomo. Pomo is a vital ingredient in any meal. Trust me. Without pomo, there's no life. You get it? We also have iru, which is the locust beans. We have ogiri. Ogiri is a specialized type of, locust beans, I think so. Yes, we have black pepper, crayfish. We have our seasoning, of course, beef, smoked fish, onions, and some other ingredients, oil, to add to it, and also garlic. So very soon I'll be mixing them all up, and we'll be getting the best of the best. Let's go! Meat is so important, and what you do to your meat, how you do it, can affect the entire meal.
I don't know. So my smoky jollof is a real deal. Like, it's a real deal. Don't play. Clock it. This is Nigeria. Nigeria of the survivor. Let me do it like poverty. What is it? You have to study the rice. Study the rice. And whatever. Someone else local it's not common.
So to cook the African fried rice, my specials, I'll start firstly with frying the pomo and also the beef. Of course, the essence of the pomo is to flavor the oil, and every other thing we'll be putting in the oil is to flavor it. Pomo has a strong flavor, but a lot of people don't even know. because they just throw pomo into their soup or into their meals. But oil has a way of extracting, a flavor. So putting the pomo, then also followed with smoked fish. Smoked fish has a very strong flavor too. Then I'll add the meat too, the meat that was already cooked and spiced. Adding it to it, first of all, it adds its own flavor. Secondly, it would help slightly or lightly fry the meat. Then followed with iru. Iru has a strong flavor. Putting the iru changes the game. Then adding also the ogiri, which is already so flavored with the mixture of all the flavors, gives it a unique taste. Then I'll also include the onions, which has already in it the garlic, and we have a kind of stir, I won't call it a stir fry, but a kind of fry that is very, very unique. And we'll cook for a period, of course with seasoning and salt, a little salt, so that it's well cooked. After cooking this, it's already cooked. We put the rice that was already pre-cooked on fire, and now pour these condiments, already mixed together, the fry. We pour it into the rice and now recook. But this time with a low heat, cooking with a low heat, so that it cooks slowly. We'll stir together with the condiments, the sauce. We'll stir till it's properly mixed together and cooked together. And we have our African fried rice. This is Uncle Toks special. I'll be including the pepper. Of course, we don't want to use the regular red pepper. We're using a black pepper, which we also call Cameroon pepper in this part of the world. We're mixing it to have that peppery, spicy, flavor. And then we mix everything together, and we have what we call the African fried rice Uncle Toks special. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to Dr. Alade Jubelo TV.